Hello, Criticker community. This is Mike, also known as M. Powell on Criticker. I'm one of the founders of the site, and I wanted to make a quick video to show off some of the new changes that have come to Criticker, changes we're really excited about, and which we hope you are too. So what we're looking at now is the current version of Criticker. One of the things that we've been criticized for a lot in the past is our layout, how we've kind of confined everything to this frame. So what we've been working on for the last few months is a full width layout of Criticker. Voila, there it is. We are super happy with this. Hope you are too. We've just spread everything out. We've given all of our amazing content that we have on Criticker a lot more room to breathe. You might notice that not a lot of the actual functionality has changed. The pages are still basically the same. But what we have worked on is bringing consistency to the experience of using Criticker. So one of the things that we worked on was creating a design system. So you might notice some things like colors are more consistent across the site. The fonts are more consistent. Things like these sidebar boxes now all look the same, and if you're a longtime user of Criticker, or even actually if you used the site as recently as yesterday, you'll probably know that something as simple as rating a film was different depending on if you're on the film information page or the film database or the search results. Each one had a different way to rate films, which isn't great from a user experience perspective and is also a nightmare to maintain and to code for. So all these kind of things we're starting to bring into line, and we think that it's going to make for a much better experience using the site. So here's the new front page. You can see the new database. It's just you have a lot more space to see what you're looking at. And one of the pages we did change quite a lot is the title information page. So this is a page that we did revamp last summer, if you were around last summer, with massive changes to the way it used to look. And even though it was a big improvement, there were still some problems with it. Some users pointed out things that didn't work quite as well as they could have. So we've taken that feedback and come back with this new version of the page. And we're really excited about this. We think it is a huge step forward in the right direction. And so there's a bunch of new features here. One is you can search users and reviews. That didn't exist at all before. So if we wanted to search suddenly last summer for anybody who mentioned, Elizabeth Taylor, we can do that. We have new compact views of the ratings. We have a new compact view of collections. This is actually the expanded view, but you can switch into the compact view easily. And we just pack tons of information into this table. And it's a really easy way to digest information about collections. We've also introduced lazy loading. Let's switch to another film. For the ratings. So there's no need to page over. This was one of the big complaints about the old title information page, or the last title information page, was that you had to click to many different pages, many sub-pages to get to the same information, or the information that should be shown all on one page. And so we've addressed that. Now you just scroll and it will continue loading ratings in the background, so that you're not done scrolling until you're done looking at the ratings. Also, we've put all this information behind tabs so that you don't have to reload pages to get to the information you're looking for. We think it's a huge improvement. We've also totally redone the streaming modal, so you can easily see where this title is available, how much it might cost to rent or to buy. This is all information provided by Just Watch, and this is totally new how we've done this. So some big changes to Criticker. One other thing we've done while I'm at it is brought much more prominence to these percentiles. rather than the rating. If you use Criticker, you know that the strength of our system is in the fact that we kind of equalize ratings. One person's 83 here, Shadi Afarin's score of 83 actually is a 53rd percentile. So not such a good rating as this person's 70. And when you're looking at lists of ratings, this is the information that's actually important. So we've just highlighted that a bit more, put a lot of thought into how we display that information. Anyway, hope you like these changes. It's been a lot of work. And this is Criticker after all, so we know there's going to be a lot of bugs. And if you do find anything, let us know. We're going to be fixing things like crazy over the next couple days and weeks and probably months, but we'll get to it. And got a lot more things coming up. This is, like I've said a couple times, I think this is just the beginning of what's eventually going to be like total site revamp. So next we're going to be looking at collections, kind of reimagining what collections look like on Criticker and their functionality. And thanks for being a part of this amazing community, and have a great day.